Hi, I'm Daryl from Big Flare. I'm the founder and CEO of Big Flare, and we are a PPC agency that focuses on helping seven-figure e-commerce companies get to 8 figures and beyond. And we do that with paid traffic on Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Before working with Aaron, I guess you could say, I wouldn't say our business was in total disarray or it was totally disorganized, but certainly it was a lot less systematized and processized than it is now. And actually recently, talking with other members of the leadership team, we were just ruminating on how, everything is just so much smoother now that Aaron's been on board with us for quite a while. Documents are in Notion, there's SOPs for how to do everything. Everyone's using Asana a lot more, and that's just keeping all the work so much more organized. So to summarize, I'd say we weren't in disarray before, but we certainly were a lot less organized and smooth before Aaron came on board and just upgraded all our systems for us. So I kind of covered this a little bit in the previous answer, but since Aaron came on board, everything's just become a lot smoother. Now, what do I mean by smoother? I mean, there's less confusion between me and all team members over what to do and how to do it, because those questions are so easy to answer now by looking in our various company apps and software. Like usually the answer to that question is now going to be in Asana with a task, and often there's going to be a document linked to that, and our Notion workspace where we keep all our wikis and SOPs, that's probably like doubled or tripled in size now, and there are just so many questions you can answer for yourself by checking our company wiki now. And previously the company wiki felt like a bit of an outdated afterthought, but now it really feels like a hub of important information that everyone on the team is using very regularly, and they're all comfortable with knowing how to use it because they've received the relevant training. So we're a lot smoother, and everything just flows a lot better now that we've got all these systems and processes in place, in a large part thanks to Aaron's work. I think specific results to share is a difficult question, because how do you quantify the idea that the entire operation just runs smoother and cleaner now and there's less headaches and hassles for team members? I don't know how to quantify that. So as for a specific result, I guess that our Notion workspace has probably doubled or tripled in size in terms of number of useful documents that we have in there that are regularly accessed and used by the team. I would also say that there's no number for this, but I would also say that our task management efficiency in our project management system, Asana, has probably at least doubled. But once again, so difficult to measure these metrics, but I do know that if we could measure these things, you would see a sizable increase in some metrics somewhere due to the work that Aaron's been doing with us. My favorite part of working with Aaron is, if you've ever read the book Rocket Fuel, which I haven't actually read, but I've heard a lot about. But in the book, it talks about the relationship between the visionary and the integrator, and it's the visionary's job to have the ideas and to provide the future vision that the company wants to head in. But then they also need an integrator whose job it is to actually help prioritize and then execute on those ideas. And my favorite part of working with Aaron is that I feel like I get to be more of a visionary now because I have Aaron as my integrator. He's absolutely superb at executing on things, like planning and organizing, and then just getting stuff done. I think he has an almost OCD level compulsion to just get things done, right? To drive the project through to completion. And that's just really great to work with for someone like me who kind of wants to focus more on the ideas side of things and the vision side of things, and wants to have like really driven people to drive projects through to completion. And that's exactly what Aaron is like. He does exactly that, which just kind of fits really well with how I want to be in my business. I would say, don't work with him because I want to keep all his time to myself. No, just joking. You can cut that bit out if you want. I would say if you're on the fence about working with Aaron, I would say like I can just strongly recommend his work. I've been super happy with it, and you don't know until you try. So I would say just give him a trial, give it a shot, and I'm sure you'll be pleased with the results you get back. I would just say that on a personal level, Aaron is super fun and easy to work with. We get on really well, and yeah, he's super efficient and productive on the business side of things, but also just like having a nice person to work with really helps as well. We all want to come into work each day and work with people that we actually enjoy being around, and Aaron is very much one of those guys. So yeah, just like 5 stars all around for Aaron. Highly recommended.